Life Changers, welcome to the new sanctuary. I'm so thankful and grateful that you joined me. And so, well, Bishop, we're not there yet. No, they're still working and trying to get us there. Maybe a little delay, but we're going to get there. I just wanted to reach out and say three things to you. One, thank you for obeying the Lord's word and giving so that we can move into this expanded sanctuary. Two, many of you have said, you know, I'm planting in $1,000 before Thanksgiving for more seats, for equipment, to be a children's patron. And three, you may say, okay, not there yet. So Bishop, what do I do? Keep on giving until you get there. Finally, I want to say this. We wanted to have at least 300 families to take that move to be a legacy giver. We have 200. 100 more, and I believe that you're that person. That we're going to do all of the things that God has called us to do. Because he's going to bless your house because you're blessing his house. The Lord bless you, and thank you for changing lives.